This 2025 Aliner Expedition Sofa Bed is a pop-up RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Aliner is 18 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 11 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this pop-up features rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.